We've seen a lot of the always connected PC coming out in the past few weeks, and here at CES 2018 we have Acer contributing its first offering in the category. This is the Acer Swift 7. Not only is it the company's first connected PC with eSIM and nano-SIM built in, it's also what they're calling the world's thinnest laptop. It's got a profile of just 8.98 millimeters thin. That is 0.35 inches more or less. And as you can see, this cuts a very striking profile. I mean, the design, I like it a lot. I don't know about you guys. It's very easy to hold, obviously, because it's 1.11 to 1.15 kilograms. That translates to about 2.5 pounds. And for a 14-inch system, this is very, very small. Thanks to the built-in eSIM capability as well as the nano SIM card slot, this will be able to let you buy bite-sized chunks of data on the go, at least when the carriers enable that ability. This, again, we've heard about already thanks to Microsoft telling us what it wants the connected PC platform to look like. However, we're not able to test it just yet because it's not actually ready. What we were able to test, though, on the Swift 7 is the touchscreen. It is a full HD resolution, a Corning Gorilla Glass sort of a finish here, making it very sturdy, not much flex, which is something you don't want out of a device that costs $1,700. This is not a laptop you're going to buy if you're not serious about your performance. It's an ultra portable with 7th generation Intel core processors. Acer is expecting up to 10 hours of battery life on here. They've tested it on Mobile Mark IV, and that was tested without LTE. So on the go, it may not be able to last you, say, a full day, but that's still enough power to get you through, hopefully, a transatlantic flight. The keyboard's also a very generously sized one. I even had trouble reaching for the backspace in some situations, but overall it's responsive, and given the category is in its infancy, we're sure to see more refinements coming in terms of other products from other companies as well as Acer later in the year. For that and more news coming out of CES 2018, be sure to stay tuned to Engadget.com.